T-minus 3, 2, 1, go.
And match 122, the match begins in the autonomous period. Over here we have Team Mishmash scoring what looks like 2, now 3 into that high sample basket for the Blue Alliance. Now make that 4 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, over here at the Red Alliance, we have 7-1-7-2. That's technical difficulties. Moving in with 3, now 4 specimens for the Red Alliance. High chamber with their alliance partner. 5-4-7-0, the Rambotics attempting to place samples into that high basket, ultimately falling down into that net zone.
Driver, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Looking at the scores at the end of the autonomous, we have 118-67 in favor of the Red Alliance. With 1-2-0-1-6, that's Mishmash scoring into that high basket. Aperture Science over here grabbing that Blue Alliance sample, attempting to get that in their claw. Hopefully so that they can get it to that observation zone for their human player to attempt to get that into a specimen. Meanwhile, over here on the Red Alliance, we have 5-4-7-0, the Rambotics, scoring samples in that high basket. Technical difficulties moving over to that observation zone with their human player, placing those samples on the wall for that robot. 1:15 less in the match, and we have Mishmash continuing to fill up that high basket for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, we have 5-0-6-4, the Aperture Science, scoring those specimens, being held on by the human player for later in the match. 1 minute left, still a close match, 177-115. Still anyone's game as we are just under half of the match remaining. Looking at technical difficulties, they are continuing to score those specimens on that high chamber for the Red Alliance. Currently 12, my apologies, currently 10 with 45 seconds left in this match. Mishmash now overflowing that basket onto the outside of the stage with 35 seconds left. And that starts the end game period with a score of 225-221, now in favor of the Blue Alliance. 20 seconds left. Red and Blue Alliance still going for those specimens. However, we have Aperture Science preparing to hang with 10 seconds left. 5-4-7-0, Rambotics getting ready to hang possibly. 3, 2, 1. And the match is over. Goes to the Blue Alliance with a score of 319-287.
Interesting teams coming up in the next match, starting with the Red Alliance. Currently ranked